In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos to your device. Now, the website we're going to use to achieve this is called ssyoutube.com. Now, before you just head on to go try it yourself, I would advise that you stay through the video and learn the entire steps I'm taking so you don't have to come back and watch the video twice. Otherwise, honestly, you might need to watch it twice. You want to stay and observe all the steps I'm going to take, and I promise you it's going to be worth your time. So like I said earlier, we're using ssyoutube.com. Now what you want to do is go take a YouTube video that you might want to use. To save your time, I already just did a search. What I usually would do is I would go to my filter. Let's say you're looking for a wildlife video. You just come and create on Creative Commons. Creative Commons allows you to use other people's video and give credit to them. I would advise that if you use the video, you give credit to the original creator of the video. Now I'm going to look for something that is not too long. If you want, you can actually go for something longer, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to look for something under 3 minutes. So let's say I want this. There are two ways you can actually get the link, because you want to copy the link and paste it on SS YouTube. So first you can click on these three dots here. When you click on these three dots, scroll down and click on share. Then from this window here, you can copy the link, or you can just click into the video. So what you want to do is click on share and then copy the link. Either way works, all right? You can do it either way. And once you copy the link, go back to SS YouTube, paste the link here. Now you give it some time. It's preparing the video for download. Alright, the video is ready for download. As you can see, download video as. So here, this is the quality you want to download as. You just make your choice and download the video. You can see this is the title of the video, this is the duration of the video, and you don't have to worry, this site is safe. The only issue is that you might have to deal with some ads, but aside that, the site is safe. As you can see, it's scanned by Newton. Now what you want to do is to choose the quality you want to save. Actually, just download this 720 MP4 and just click on download. It will open a new tab. Go back to the SS YouTube and click download again. It will open a new tab again. That's the ads. Then you go back again. This time around, it will start getting your video ready for download. Your video will be ready in a few minutes. Please do not close this page until the download starts. So waiting for the download to start. It's currently processing. Alright, so our video is done processing and now it's ready for download. As you can see, it says your video is ready for downloading. Click on download video button to download it. So we're going to click on this download and it's going to open another page, rather another tab for ads, so you don't have to worry about that. But look at your download here. You can see that the download has started. So this video is currently downloading, as you can see. Alright, the video has been successfully downloaded to my device. If I just click on this to view it, you'll see that it's here now. So I can just click on that. As you can see, it worked. I was able to download the video from YouTube to my device. So you can also try that as well. If you follow the same process, you'll be able to download any video to your device, whether your mobile device, your PC, or any other device you're using. Happy downloading. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing, like and share. Thank you and see you in the next one.